Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Vanga AI, which is an upsell app powered by AI, to your Shopify website. Then I'm going to review the app and its main features and show you how Vanga AI can significantly increase your Shopify store's sales. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so this is a demo store that I have for training purposes only, so I'm going to be using the development store for this tutorial, but what you need to do is just log into your Shopify admin homepage. So this is something similar of what your store should look like, and on the left-hand side, you will notice the apps button. You're going to click on the apps button and you are going to type in Vanga AI, which is VANGA space AI. Then, just like any other app, it's going to pull up the Shopify App Store. We're going to select the correct Vanga AI app and we're going to add it to our Shopify store. Okay, so now that the Shopify App Store has loaded, on the left-hand side, you're going to notice this logo with the name Upsell Automation-Vanga AI. Now, before we add this Upsell app to our store, I do want to mention that this app has the Built for Shopify tag associated with it, which is huge. You will notice that other apps do not have that. For these, for example, some of these down here, but this one does. So Vanga AI has gone through Shopify's testing and it's approved by Shopify that it does integrate and work seamlessly with Shopify. So the fact that this app has the Built for Shopify tag with it, that's a massive thing. Okay, so now let's add this to our website. So all you're going to do, just like any other app, is you're going to click on the app and it's going to pull up the main app page inside the Shopify store. So then you're going to click on install, and then just like any other app, it's going to take you to your Shopify App Store inside your admin, and you are going to give Shopify the permissions to add the app to your website. To give Shopify the permission, all you do is click install app. And then once the app has successfully installed onto your Shopify store, you will see this main Vanga AI Upsell app page. Now, before we go through and review the app, I also want to mention that Vanga specializes in giving you the ability to have a highly converting customizable cart. That means you can customize the way your customers see their cart and give them upsell offers right there on the cart page before they ever make it to the checkout page. And you can do this either through manual setup or through Vanga's internal algorithm, which I will discuss both in just a moment. Now let's talk about some of the app's main features. The first thing you're going to do is on the left-hand side, you're going to notice these three different pages: the post-purchase upsell page, the Vanga cart page, and the thank you page. You want to go through each of these three pages and click on the green button that says enable. Now, you should also know that Vanga gives your customers three different opportunities to add items to their cart by offering them different upsells, and that is through the Vanga cart page, then the one-click post-purchase page, and then the thank you page. Now, to show you what I mean when I say this, I'm going to use a website and show you in real time what it would look like and the experience that your customers would go through when using this Vanga AI tool. Now, we're going to go to this website and we are going to simply add this Teach You Shopify package to the cart. Now, when you add it to the cart, instead of seeing Shopify's regular, just basic cart page, you will notice that this is a personalized, customizable Vanga cart page. You'll notice on the right-hand side that Vanga AI's algorithm has automatically generated a special discount for a customer to take advantage of. For the sake of this video, it is free shipping. So you'll notice that on the right-hand side, Vanga, shows your customer the special discount and then pulls in three different products that your customer could easily buy just by clicking add. And it would simply add these products to their cart right there. So you can see how if you were to add this item, it easily increases the total revenue and the subtotal of the sale. So then let's say your customers are satisfied with this and they proceed to check out. Now I'm just going to fill out this information using Shopify's test credit cards, and then I'm going to show you what the post-purchase page would look like after your customers were to hit Pay Now. So once your customer clicks Pay Now, you'll notice that they land on a confirmation page, which is the one-click post-purchase upsell page powered by Vanga. Again, you will see that an automatic discount has been generated by Vanga's AI algorithm, and it's free shipping along with a timer that encourages your customers to take advantage of the special discount quickly before the time runs out. They can easily add these items to their cart and simply pay for it just by clicking on this one little button right here. So again, Vanga pulls in a bunch of different products that your customers might want to take advantage of, and all they have to do is click on Pay Now. If they don't want to take advantage of the special offer, all they have to do is click Decline Upsell Offer, which would then take them to the thank you page, just like always. So just like the typical Shopify process, if your customer did decide to decline the offer on the one-click post-purchase upsell page, they would land on the thank you page. And again, Vanga for the third time also pulls in another opportunity for your customers to simply buy another product. These are a little different. It's, you could buy more of the same, or you could also buy something different that would go along with your current purchase. Again, on this page, all you have to do is click Buy Now, and it would simply add it to your order. And again, this is such an easy way for you to increase your revenue by giving your customers multiple opportunities to take advantage of special discounts, and all they have to do is click one button. It really is as simple as that. So that is a 3-step process. You saw the Vanga cart page, you saw the Vanga post-purchase upsell page, and now you see the Vanga thank you page. And you also noticed how easy it is for Vanga's AI algorithm to pull in different products and give your customers the ability to take advantage of special offers, and all they have to do on each page is simply click one button to take advantage of the special offer. If you wanted to set a discount for automatic offers, you would click on this little button down here. So you'll see where it says select the maximum discount you can give customers. You could do 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, so on and so forth. You know your margins, whatever you feel comfortable with. You just tell Vanga the automatic discount that you want to give, and Vanga will give your customers offers and upsells, but they won't go higher than what you tell it to. Then you just click Save. Now, if you wanted to take advantage of the manual one, you would simply come over here on the left-hand side and you would click on the Manual Offers button. Now this is the manuals offer page, and you would click Create Manual Offer to go through and manually set up the different offers that you want the Vanga AI tool to, display to your customers. Again, I would suggest just starting out with the automatic offers and see how you do. See how your store converts, see the amount of revenue you generate from the automatic offers, and then if you wanted to do some A/B testing, you could always do the manual offers as well. Now I want to show you some of the dashboards. So if you scroll down, you'll notice right here that inside the Vanga AI Upsell app, you can see the amount of revenue that was generated strictly just from the Vanga AI app. So this will show you your total revenue generated. And then if you scroll down, one of my personal favorites is the upsell channels. These dashboards will show you how much revenue you've generated using the Vanga cart, how much revenue that's been generated using the post-purchase page, and how much revenue that's been generated using the thank you page. So this allows you to see what's working and what's not, so you can make better informed decisions about your business. What is working, you can do more of, and then what's not working, you can improve upon. If you scroll down a little further, you'll notice that there's also dashboards showing you how much revenue you've generated through the automatic offers versus the manual offers. So that way you can see, are you generating more revenue versus, one versus the other? Then you can make better decisions from there as well. So you can easily see how this app will significantly improve your store's revenue. This app allows you to offer different discounts and upsells on 3 different channels: your cart, your thank you page, and your post-purchase page. So don't wait, head to the Shopify App Store, add the Vanga AI automation tool to your store, get everything enabled and set up, and start taking advantage of all of these automatic offers and upsells and increase your store's revenue easily. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about how you can increase your store's revenue by offering upsells using Vanga AI, then consider subscribing to the channel. If you use the link in the description below, you'll also receive $1,000 in free credit. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.